Welcome back to AM Autos, your trusted garage of innovation, power, and future-ready machines. Today, we're diving into the return of a legend. Yes, it's back, it's bold, it's muscular, and it's ready to conquer both the roads and the wild. Presenting, the 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero, new generation SUV, a perfect fusion of heritage and cutting-edge modernity. So buckle up, because what you're about to see is not just a comeback, it's a revolution in 4x4 DNA. Design and exterior, the 2025 Pajero has undergone a complete design overhaul. At first glance, the stance is more aggressive, more dominant, with a new dynamic shield front fascia, inspired by Mitsubishi's next-gen design language. You get a muscular yet aerodynamic profile, wide wheel arches, sculpted LED matrix headlamps, C-shaped DRLs, and a redesigned grille with a satin black finish that screams power. The rear features an all-new LED signature with connected tail lamps, a massive spoiler, and a more modern bumper profile. And let's not forget 21-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, and a high ground clearance of over 230 mm make it a beast both on-road and off-road. Interior and features. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a premium yet rugged interior, crafted for comfort and adventure alike. The dashboard features a 12.3-inch curved digital cockpit and a floating 12-inch infotainment screen powered by Mitsubishi's new Mi Drive OS, fully compatible with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Alexa voice control. Leather upholstery, ambient lighting, ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, a panoramic sunroof, wireless charging. The 2025 Pajero packs everything you'd expect from a premium SUV. The second row seats are spacious with reclining function, and the third row now gets better cushioning and AC vents. This Pajero is more family-ready than ever before. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Pajero offers a 2.4L bi-turbo diesel engine, producing 204 PS of power and a massive 470 Nm of torque. Paired with an all-new 8-speed automatic transmission, and Mitsubishi's legendary Super Select 4WD2 system, it's capable of tackling sand, snow, gravel, and even deep forest trails with ease. Want more? There's a plug-in hybrid variant rumored to be in the pipeline, which could deliver over 45 kilometers of pure EV range and over 900 kilometers combined. With hill descent control, electronic locking rear differential, terrain management modes, and a reinforced body-on-frame chassis, this SUV is built to go where others simply can't. Safety tech. Mitsubishi hasn't compromised on safety. The 2025 Pajero comes equipped with 9 airbags, 360-degree camera with AI assistance, adaptive cruise control, blind spot warning, forward collision mitigation, lane keep assist, and a Level 2 autonomous emergency braking system. It also features Mitsubishi's new driver health AI, which can detect fatigue, distractions, and even heart rate fluctuations using sensors embedded in the steering and seats. Variants and colors. Expected to launch in 3 variants: GLX, GLS, and Signature Edition. The Pajero will be available in 6 bold colors: Galaxy Silver, Pearl White, Obsidian Black, Terrain Bronze, Storm Gray, and the eye-catching Rally Red dual tone. Pricing and launch. The all-new Mitsubishi Pajero is expected to launch in India and global markets by late 2025, with an expected starting price of around 38 rupees to 45 lakh rupees ex-showroom. The hybrid model, when introduced, may go beyond 50 lakh rupees. But remember, it's not just about the price, it's about owning a legend reborn for the future. Outro. So, what do you think about the 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero? Is it ready to reclaim its throne as the king of rugged SUVs? Comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to AM Autos, and tap that bell icon for more deep drive reviews and secret future reveals. Until next time, stay powerful, stay adventurous, and ride with AM Autos.